this is Heather from HeatherBCo. I'm coming at you with the unboxing of the latest Simply Gilded box. This is the April box and it is called Natural Beauty. It is silver foil this month. You've got the print with all the florals. On the back of the box, you've got the leopard print, some florals, and the bird, and this silver, I almost said glitter, silver foil, of course, juniper, and all of the Simply Gilded information. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox everything. I will be showing the mystery item in this video, but it will be last, and I will give you an opportunity to click out if you don't want to be spoiled. But just so you know, I do show the mystery item in my video. It's just at the end. So let's go ahead and get started. I have already removed the mystery item. So we've got a lot of stuff in here. All right. So what I like to do is go according to the menu card. There we go. Here is the menu card, and the first item on the list, of course, is the journaling card that comes in each box. And this is the journaling card this month. It's a nice, very neutral kind of pale blue color with the very neutral leopard and the silver bow on his neck. The next item on the list is, of course, all the washi tape. So let's go ahead and get it open. And it all came in this reusable, resealable bag. I did already open everything because I like to swatch it for you guys so that you can see it swatched as well as on the roll. Sometimes they do look a tad bit different once you swatch them. So here is all of the washi that comes in the regular washi subscription. So you've got the two bows, you've got a leopard, the floral, you've got the I guess tasks, and then you have this bow with the trailing tail off of it. Again, all of them are silver foiled. And then if you get the 5mm add-on, this is what comes with it. You get the heart and vine. You get the silver, like stardust, not stardust, but I guess stardust maybe. And then you get the floral bow. And then you also get the heart with the little sparkles around. So here is what all of it looks like together. This is if you get the regular washi in addition to the 5mm washi subscription. And let me go ahead and show you what they look like swatched out. Okay, so here they are all swatched. Let me see if there you go. So you can kind of see the different foils. They are all silver foil. And here's a close-up. So here we go. So there's like the neutral bow that you get and the leopard. The leopard one has no foil on it. The silver, let's see, I'm sorry. The floral has the bow. Oh my God, I'm doing a horrible job. Here we go. The silver, I'm sorry, the floral has the silver bow and sparkles and the bird. And then you go into the tasks. Then you have the bow right here. See if I can get it to pick up. There we go. Pick up the foil. And then, of course, you've got the floral bow and the silver inverted and then the heart and vine. So that's what they look like all swatched out. Let me see if I can give you a rundown of it like that. Give you some more perspective of the foiling. Okay, so that's all the washi that is included in the box. The next thing is the sticker kit. As usual, this box, I just got it out of the mailbox. I was waiting on the mail lady so that I could go ahead and do the video. I have not been uploading videos a whole lot lately. I kind of needed to take a little bit of a break from social media. Just nothing major. I just, you know, it's sometimes you just need a break. Okay, so here are all the stickers and the seals that came with this month's kit. Let me show you the kit itself. So it comes with 3 sets of date covers. You've got full boxes. Here you've got some flag icons and some circle icons. You've got some headers here, some checklist, more headers. We always get this smaller sheet that includes another full box, some half boxes, checklist, and some more deco. This month we got a sheet of icons in silver glitter with the leopard background. And then we also got the date dots in that nice pretty green color in silver foil. And then of course the matching seals with silver foil, which make a great addition to the sticker set. So let me kind of give you a little bit of a close-up of this so you can kind of see the foiling on that. Yeah, so here's your 2 sheets and the other sheets to make your sticker kit. All right, next on the list is the B6 Traveler's Notebook. So again, I haven't opened this. This is a B6 Traveler's Notebook with the nice floral print. So when you open it, here's your strings to go ahead and put your inserts in. You've got a couple of front pockets right here. You've got the pin loop on the back. Of course, the scallop stitching. And I think I said the pin loop. You've got the little D-ring right here where you can put one of the charms that comes in one of the previous boxes on there. And yeah, so there is the B6 Traveler's Notebook cover. It also comes with a B6 stitched notebook. So this, I usually don't open these until I need them, but this will fit inside of this. You stick it in the strings, and here is the back. It's just very simple. It's got Simply Gilded down here in silver foil, the bird on the front. And next on the list is the gel ink pen. I love these pens. Let me get you kind of close up so you can see. They're a nice heavy weight. This one is probably my favorite. I'm a huge fan of leopard print or cheetah print. I'll be honest, I don't really know the difference between the two. I mean, I know that they're 2 different animals, but I don't know how to tell the difference between the 2 prints, I guess. Yeah, so it's got Simply Gilded engraved on the pin loop right there. And then of course, you're always going to have the bow on the top. It is a gel pen that is refillable. It's a nice heavy weight. These are great pens. I keep these in my purse. I always have one in my purse for whenever you need a pen. The next thing is the Vellum sticky notes, which we all know is very, very popular right now. So here we have those, and they are vellum, so you can see through them. You will not be able to write on these with this pen. You will need to find a more permanent pen. The micro perm pens or like a Sharpie pen would be fine, but if you write with a regular ballpoint or gel point pen, it will smear on this. So you will need to find something a little more permanent. Next on the list, and actually the last thing before we get to the mystery item, is of course the Vellum and Acetate. So we get, let's see, is it 4? No, 3 sheets. So you've got 2 sheets of vellum, and then you have 1 sheet of the acetate. They are already folded, and I believe they are B6 sized. Let's see. Yes, these are sized for B6. So you could use this kit to make a whole setup in the B6 Traveler's Notebook that we got. So the first vellum that we have is the floral with the bow foiled in silver. Then you have the nice neutral leopard print. And then the acetate is clear with the floral and birds foiled in silver. So that is the last 3 items, and I wanted to thank you if you have watched this far. If you don't want to see the mystery item, please click out now. I'm going to go ahead and show that in the next minute or so. Again, if you are clicking out, I appreciate you watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you next time. For those of you who want to stick around and either see the mystery item or be spoiled, or however you want to call it, this is it. And I'm actually very excited about this one. This is a pack of the Vellum sticky tabs. I love these. I use these just about every day, not just in planning, but just like in regular, daily life. If I need to mark something or whatever, they're a great little addition. So you've got peach sand, you've got the leopard, you've got the wild oat, spring mix, and sweet water are the names of them. And again, these are vellum. So let's see, I'll pull one off so you can see. So it is vellum, so when you stick on it, you'll be able to see, underneath it, and you will need that permanent marker to mark on it. It's got a nice stick to it. So yeah, that is the mystery item for the Natural Beauty box. And that is it for everything that came in the box. I'm going to go ahead and take this out of the way, but I do kind of want to give you like a little overview of what everything looked like all put together. This is really a nice box. I know not every box is going to be, a win for everyone. I don't think Irene expects anyone to like every single item every month. But this really is a great box. It's got a lot of nice additions to it. And I think that it is a winner in my eyes. So I do appreciate you watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I would love to have some new subscribers. I've been doing YouTube for a little over a year now, and I'm still loving it. I just do need to take a break from time to time from social media, but I do love having new subscribers, and I have a couple of new videos coming up soon. So anyway, with all that said, please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.